Hello gamers, welcome to our channel. Are you tired of getting defeated in your favorite games? Do you dream of becoming a pro gamer and streaming your gameplay to thousands of fans? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share the ultimate tips and tricks on how to become a successful gamer in 2024. Let's dive in. Step number 1, master your craft. To become a successful gamer, you need to be a master of your game. Here's how you can improve your skills. Practice consistently, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Watch pro players and learn from their strategies. Focus on one game at a time and become a specialist. Invest in the right hardware and software to enhance your gaming experience. Step number 2, build your brand. In today's gaming world, having a strong online presence is crucial. Here's how you can build your brand. Create a YouTube channel and stream your gameplay to share your skills with the world. Build a community on social media platforms like Twitter and Instagram. Collaborate with other gamers and streamers to reach a wider audience. Develop your own unique style and personality to stand out from the crowd. Step number 3. Stay up to date. The gaming world is constantly evolving, and you need to stay informed to stay ahead of the game. Here's how you can do it. Follow gaming news websites and blogs to stay up to date with the latest trends and updates. Subscribe to gaming newsletters and podcasts to stay informed. Join online gaming communities and forums to connect with other gamers, and stay up to date with the latest developments. Step number 4, create a catchy thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see when they come across your video. Make sure it's eye-catching and relevant to your content. Here's how you can create a great thumbnail. Use high-quality images or graphics. Keep it simple and focused. Use text overlays to highlight key points. Make sure it's consistent with your brand. Step number 5, optimize your tags and title. Your title and tags are crucial for search engine optimization, SEO, and helping viewers find your content. Here's how you can optimize them. Use relevant and popular keywords in your title and tags. Keep your title short and descriptive. Use a consistent gaming convention for your videos. Make sure your tags are accurate and relevant. That's it for today's video, gamers. Remember, becoming a successful gamer takes time, effort, and dedication. But with these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to gaming stardom. If you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and leave a small comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.